Hello, my people. Welcome on board. Horo Photographist is my name. So today I'm at home, and I just realized that with a big number of the rabbits that I have, the amount of compost is increasing. You see, so I have some few rabbits over here, some rabbits, some chicken. I have them. I have those chicken and some rabbits. You know. So with this number of animals, the amount of compost post is increasing. Okay, so I thought, what should I do with all these manure? There's a lot of manure in my place, and I wanted to clear up the place. So I decided, let me try and clear that is compost that comes from manure. That is the manure that comes from rabbits and from chicken. So I wondered what I could do with them instead of throwing it away. So I got this idea. Okay, let's create a land out there and plant some things. All right, are you with me? Stay with me because this is going to be interesting. So behind our house, there's like a small patch where it's an open space. So I decided, let me clear out that place. Okay, just like that. I made it clear. I made it nice. There's a banana I used to plant once upon a time, but now because there's like a space here, let me maximize this space. And this space, I wanted to plant some kales, some veggies, a garden, a kitchen garden. But I think by planting it on the ground only, it will have limited the amount of kales or the amount of sukuma wiki zenye naweza panda hapa. You get? So what I've thought of is getting these sacks. The sacks, sack ni gunia, getting these sacks, the sacks, then filling them with the soil, and then planting my veggies over there. Okay, so let's fill these sacks with soil and put them here, like 4 or 5 sacks. That will maximize the amount of land. Juu ukipanda kwa ground utapanda just a few rows then ijae, but when umeplant kwa magunia, the gunia has its surface area up to a certain point, maybe to a certain height over there, then another gunia here, another sack here, and another sack here. So with those sacks, when they are this tall, you can plant like several kales or several plants around it. So this one I can plant maybe Chinese spinach, this one I can plant spinach yenyewe, this one I can plant sukuma wiki, this one I can plant kienyeji. You get my point? So let's do that, and nice time. One video is down. One sack is down. I mean, one sack is down. 4 more to go. 4 more. We na already nisha sweat. Lakini tutawezana, si ndio? Haya, fanya hiyo mambo. Endeleze. at last I have made it to the four sacks, gunia zote 4. Sasa ni kupanda mboga. Sasa sina mboga sahi, itabidi nikimbilie soko. So just wait up there, we go to the market, we get these skumas, then we do what we do best. After 1 month, this is what I have. I bought the kales, I bought the spinach and planted them like this one. Now after this 1 month, you see how nicely they look. They look so good. So you can do this in your house, also in your place. If you don't have a lot of space, you can take this space, you can take this idea, and practice it. Weke mchanga kwa gunia, upande hapo, and that will maximize on the space. So see you in the next one. Kindly hit the subscribe button and share with your friends. Until the next one, I've been your boy, Waruo Photographist. Adios.